This is Toyota's new contender in the entry-level segment. It's called the Vitz, and it replaces the Agya, very popular Agya, I must say. Now, the dimensions are larger, which gives it a more stout look and more of a presence on the road. I love it. Then, a first for an entry-level vehicle, alloy wheels. Absolutely lovely touch. Now, this is a real little city car. Okay, it's a 1 litre 3-cylinder. It produces 49 kilowatts of power, has 89 Newton meters of torque, and it produces that at between 3,200 and 3,500 RPMs. And basically all that means is that it's very quick traffic light to traffic light, which is always a lovely touch. But still, it's a very frugal car, okay? They claim 4.2 litres per 100. I got 4.9 litres per 100 on the launch, driving in the city, stop, start, stop, start, so it's phenomenal. But I want to show you one thing that I think that is fantastic about this vehicle as well, and that is that boot space is the biggest in its segment, almost 300 litres of space. I'll be testing this vehicle soon, and then I will give you a full review.